Hello everyone, Blue Cat here, and today we're going to be opening some packs from the new box King of Vermilion. Now, this is going to be a very quick pack opening because I'm just going to be using gems, and then I'll open the rest of the pack off screen with the deals. But from this box, I mainly am trying to get the Mechlors and the Resonator cards. So with that out the way, let's go ahead and get to the pack opening video. Let's go to start 500 gems to get for the box release. Alright. I'm really tempted to go ahead and just skip all these, but that's what I usually do. But for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna go through all of them like this. I'm gonna skip towards the end. But maybe for like the first few, let's go ahead and do this. Actually, I think this might be a bad path. Oh, never mind. That's a bit Cinco. Oh, we got Randall Dragon already. That's 1 ER down. I'm fine with just getting one of each ER, to be honest. I'm mostly trying to get the SRs. Okay. Got some glow. Ooh, Resonator Call. I definitely want to get multiple of those. Another one. Alright. A Synchro. And it's Armor. Alright, it's a pretty good 10 pack. Got ER and 2 SRs. Alright. It's going to be another 10 pack. Alright, so we might just go through all of them for the first maybe 30 packs. After I might just do some skipping. Just make this as quick as possible. So for now, we're gonna just go like this. Alright. Probably another SR. Synchro, okay. Faster. Probably most of the singles in here are just one of. Okay, that might be the only thing from these 10 packs. Ah, the people lie to me. Yeah, that was it. Alright. So just one SR from that one. That one was alright, but not very good. Alright, let's go ahead and do the next one. Just ignore that. Alright. I have such bad luck with these boys. Nothing for that one. And if they both lie to me again. Oh, these 10 packs might be a dud. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting anything from these 10 packs. Oh, I hate when this happens. Yeah, we're just gonna skip the rest. Yep, about to go. All reds and normals. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the next 10. Oh, okay. Nice, we got Armor Master. Like I said, I'm just looking to get one of each of the ERs. I really don't care about getting multiple of them. We still have yet to get Weisel, which is what I'm really looking for in this box. Alright, so we might just do another... Oh, hold on. This is probably gonna be Hyper Librarian. I have, oh my god, no. Wonder Magician. Yes. Alright. So that's it for the URs. I'm not really gonna reset the box just to get multiples of those. Like I said, I'm really just want the SRs. These people need to stop lying to me. Alright, nothing from this one. Alright, nothing from this. We did get 2 URs though, which is really nice. Alright, it's gonna be another 10. After this, we might start skipping just to wrap the video up. Also, I apologize if I sound a little tired. I did just wake up like not too long ago. Alright. Alright, nothing in this one either. Alright, so after these 10, I might just go ahead and just skip the rest. Alright, nothing in this one. Lycia again. Alright, this one was dead. Alright, so far we got one of each of the URs, one armory, one caster, and one resonator call. I think I got 0 Wiser, which is the main one I was looking for. Ignore that did not happen. Oh, okay. Oh, not the one I was looking for. Oh, another one. Okay, so this is the third synchro SR. Alright, just for the average, we're gonna go ahead and go through the rest, but I might score to skip after that. I'm literally getting everything but the card I want. We're just gonna skip the rest. Oh, Crimson Resonate. This is the one I wanted too. So we got one of these. We still need 2 more. Alright, ignore that. That did not happen. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and skip the rest. Finally, I get Weisel. Finally, oh my goodness. I want to go ahead and reset, but also really want tuning. Okay, what's it going? Oh, is it tuning? No, it is not tuning. Alright. So I really gotta stop thinking that. I'm really getting everything but tuning. What the heck? It's literally the last one in the box. Okay. It finally got tuning, so that the box will reset. Let's see if I can get Wise on tuning again. And it's dead, okay. Alright, so with that, we're going to wrap up the video. For my polls, I got one of everything from the box. It's taking forever to get the card I wanted, but alright, so with that, we're going to wrap up the video. And I will have some decks featured from this box in upcoming videos. So stay tuned to that, and I'll see y'all later.